In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment method on Shopify. Whether you're tidying up your financial settings or simply cleaning up old information, this process is simpler than you might think. Let's walk through each step clearly to ensure you can manage your payment methods effortlessly. To begin, navigate to your Shopify admin by logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your personalized dashboard. From here, the first thing you need to do is look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Give that a click. Upon clicking Settings, a new menu will appear, presenting a variety of settings options to customize your store further. What we want to focus on is General, so go ahead and select it. Clicking on General will take you to a new page where you can manage the basic information about your store, from your business details to your billing information. The next step we'll take is to direct our attention to Billing. You'll find this option nestled amongst the other settings tabs. Click on Billing to open up the Billing Details section of your Shopify store. Here you'll find all the billing-related information associated with your account. This is where you can add, delete, or update payment methods. Once on the billing page, you should see a highlighted area that refers to your payment methods. Identify this section and click on it. This action takes you into a more detailed view of the payment methods you've currently set up with your Shopify store. Now, within this detailed view, locate the three dots usually found in the upper or lower right corner. These three dots are crucial as they provide additional actions related to the payment methods. Clicking on these dots will reveal another menu, providing you the option to edit or remove the given payment method. Select the option to remove or delete the payment method that you want to get rid of. It's important to ensure you have another primary payment method configured if you're removing your last or only payment method. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you should have successfully removed a payment method from your Shopify account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Deleting a payment method on Shopify is straightforward, but remember to double-check that other payment methods are ready to go to prevent any billing issues in the future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.